Man, I hope I'm sticking my hand up there.
No,
Really.
that's
Be
literally this
quiet. I'm videotaping for my audience. Oh shit! That was a whole lot of dirt in my mouth. Okay. Oh my god, I have never seen this. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, macro. I'm gonna tie myself up like people who live in the Sahara and maybe go out there. Oh. Man, how are they gonna let off the children off the bus? With this craziness, I have never seen this. Like, ever. Somebody driving this. No, you can't. They can't. No. Thank goodness.
Dust storm out of all days.
Whoa.